Today for our chord workout, we're going to add the chord A7. Now you will notice that D is not that different from A7, so that's a real bonus, and it makes it easier to get from chord to chord. So let's get into D position. Your pointer, second apartment building, third story. Your middle finger, second apartment building, bottom story, first string. And your ring finger on the third apartment building on the second story. Let's play that together. Get your pick ready and put it on the root note, the D string, okay? And here we go, ready and play it together. Nice, all right. So now we are going to play the A7. Now to get to A7, it's not that hard. Just take that ring finger right off. So take it off. And those two fingers that are remaining, just put them both up one story. All right. So now we're on A7. Our root note, our bottom note, our bass note is A. And the A string is this open string, the fifth string. Okay. So let's play the A7 chord together. Here we go. Ready, go. All right. Now let's practice going back and forth. So let's go back to D. Ready? On the fourth string, ready, play. And A7, here we go. A7, fifth string on your pick, and play. And D, back to D, here we go. And get rid of the ring finger, move your other two fingers up a story, and an A7. All right, and back to D, put those two fingers back down a story and add the ring finger on the third apartment building and D. All right. So our next goal is to be able to play D and A7 without hesitating that much in between. So in order to accomplish that, there's a band track called Malibu, and it has D and A7. At the beginning, you're going to play D 8 beats. You're going to rest 8 beats, and during those 8 beats, you'll have a chance just to get into A7. And then you're going to play 8 beats of A7, rest A7, get back into D, and so on and so forth. So let's try that together. Let's get into D position and get ready on the fourth story, and let's play 8 of those together. Ready, go. And mute. Now get into A7. On the fifth story, ready, play. And mute, go to D. 1, 2, ready, play. And change to A7. 1, 2, ready, play. Mute. Excellent. Now for the next section, it's identical with only one change. Now, I'd like to teach you how to palm mute. You will see there's a nice fleshy part of your palm right there. And you place that on the strings, and what you do is you just play the bottom 2 or maybe 3 strings of the chord. So here we go. Now I could play the whole thing, but this kind of strumming pattern is often used in rock, which is a driving low sound. So, okay, so give that a try. Let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, play. Excellent. Now change to A7. Now the bottom 2 strings of A7 are the 5th and the 4th. All right. So let's just aim for those. If you play an extra string, no big deal. Just aim for those. Okay. So once again, rest the fleshy part of your hand up top. Pick on the 5th and ready, play. Good. Now switch to D once again. Ready, play. Excellent. And let's move to A7 on the 5th string with your pick. Ready, play. Now for the next portion of the band track, we're going to move to muted on TTs, 8 beats of TT. Actually 7 TTs and then 1 ta. So it sounds like this. 1, 2, ready, play. T T T T T T T T T T T T T T ta. And then switch to A7. Get onto that 5th string. Ready, play. T T T T T T T T T T T T T T ta. Switch to D. Ready, play. T T T T T T T T T T T T. Excellent. And back to A7. Ready, play. T T T T T T T T T T T T T T ta. Now for the next section, we are going to just play the exact same pattern, but we're only going to play 4 beats, all right, for each. So it'll be rest, change to A7. And you only get 4 beats to change. So with the band. All right, so let's get into D position. And we're ready to go. 1, 2, ready, play. Mute, change to A7. Ready, play. Mute, change to D. 1, 2, ready, go. Mute, and A7, ready to go. Alright, now rest the palm muting hand and same thing. Nice. Go to A7, palm muted. Nice. Going to D. Here we go. Change to A7. Here we go. Change to D, this time T T T T T T ta. Here we go. T T T T T T T T T T T T T T ta. Nice. A7, here we go, same thing. Change to D. Here we go. Change to A7. All right, here we go. Change to D this time, 4 open, ready, play. Change to A7. D. A7. Nice, now palm muted. A7. D. A7 and D TTs, A7 TTs, D TTs, A7 TTs. Now 1 open D, ready, play, hold it. So our final challenge with the band track Malibu is to play D and A7 with no hesitation in between. So let's just take on the most difficult portion right now of that piece. Now you may not be able to do this piece yet, and that's okay. You can give it a whirl. If it doesn't work, that's okay. Go back and keep practicing the other band tracks and practice moving from D to A7. When you're ready, take this one on. So let's start with D. Here we go. Ready, play, open. Change to A7, change to D, A7, muted, A7, D,
A7. All right, you get the deal. So let's try that with a band track. So you should be in D position, and let's focus. Look at the music down below. Here's the band. D, play. A7. D, go. A7, go. Get ready to mute. A7, go. D, go. A7, go. Here come the TTs. T T T T T T T T T T T T T T ta. T T T T T T T T T T T T ta. And D, open. A7, go. D, go. A7, go. Mute, go. A7. Here come the TTs. And a big D. Nice work. You may have to practice a little bit more to get that solid, but keep practicing. It's always better to do it a few extra times as opposed to not quite enough times, so that you really become a master of the guitar.